Yes, that's the correct answer. 5 points for Honesty House. Next question goes to
Truth House. Are you ready? What loses its head in the morning and gets it back at the night? I repeat the question. What loses its head in the morning and gets it back at night? Any guesses? Time is up. Let's reveal the answer. Moon. Moon. Let's check the answer. A pillow. No points to the Truth House. Let's move on to the next question. Question goes to the Compassion. Where are the people? Compassion, are you ready? Question number 4. I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have mouth, but water kills me. What am I? I repeat the question. I'm not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have mouth, but water kills me. What am I? Any guesses?
A plant. A nose, a nose.
Let's reveal the answer. The fire. No points for the Compassion. Next question on the screen, please. Last question goes to Loyalty. Question on the screen, please. I I start with P and end with E. And I have thousands of letters in it. What am I? I repeat the question. I start with P and end with E. And I have thousands of letters in it. What am I?
Post office.
Let's reveal the answer. Well, that's the right answer. 2 points to the Loyalty House. Very good, children. That's a wonderful job done by all the houses. Okay, the riddles round is done. Now let's move on to the next round. Thank you all. Okay, let's get some entertainment through audio-visual round. So let us see the rules. So each correct answer carries 2 points, no group answers and no pass-on questions. Okay, you just widen your eyes and ears to answer the questions. First question goes to Honesty House. What movie is this? Guess the movie name. Toy Story. You get the points. Honesty House. Next. Next question goes to Courage House. Guess the logo. Rolex. Reveal the answer, sir. Here. That man hit me. Okay. Next question goes to Truth House. So you need to listen to this audio. So the song will be played in reverse. So you need to guess the song. Truth House.
Keep up demon hunters.
So let us reveal the answer. Correct. Next question to Compassion House. Name the celebrity from their childhood photo. It's a childhood photo of a celebrity. So guess who it is. Compassion House. Guess and tell the answer. Faster. Take the turn and tell the answer. Time up. Sir, reveal the answer, please. Michael Jackson, the god of dance. So next turn goes to Loyalty House. So audio clip will be played. You have to guess what language it is.
On me choisit pour lutter contre les forces du mal. Je deviens miraculeuse Ladybug. Dis-moi, Paris nous fait, c'est mon histoire plutôt étrange. La magie noire me désespère et le chat noir n'est pas un
Loyalty House, what language do you guess this song is on?
English.
So, sir, reveal the answer, please. French. So now, question to audience. Name the movie. Sing. Very good. Correct answer.
Now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper?
Yeah.
So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, now, yeah, are you ready with your pen and paper? Yeah. So you, okay, so now, Coming to the instructions, listen to the instructions. Each correct answer carries 5 points, no group answers, and no pass-on questions. Are you people ready? First question goes to Honesty House. What is the next number in the given series? This is very special series. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. What is the next number? What is the next number?
21.
Let's see. Let's reveal the answer. This series is called as Fibonacci series, and why it is special? In nature, even flower petals are in this series, and this series is used in architecture, and it is in pine cones, shells, sunflower seeds, everywhere they follow. Nature follows this Fibonacci series. Yes, 21 is the correct answer. Next question goes to Compassion House. The digit sum of the result number 4 by 4 is 8. The digit sum of the result number 4 by 4 is 8 is the wrong answer. Let's reveal the answer, sir.
7.
The answer is 7. 4 by 4 is 16. 16. 1 plus 6 is 7. Next question goes to Loyalty House. Are you ready, Loyalty? 8 plus 4 minus 2 into 4 plus 7 divided by 11. Ma'am, please check the time. Only 1 minute to solve this. But the options are 4, 10, 11 and 8. So no correct answer. Okay, we are giving you a chance to choose the answer from the options. Options are 4, 11, 10 and 8. Tell one answer quickly. 10. 10. The answer is 10. Good, Loyalty House. And now next question to Courage House. Roman numeral for 2345. Roman numeral for 2345. Options are, you can see the options.
MMCCC XLV.
That's the correct answer. MMCCC XLV is the correct answer. Very good. Courage House got the points. Next question goes to Truth House. Smallest 8-digit number plus largest 7-digit number. Truth House. The options are as follows. Time up. The option they are giving is correct, but it's time up. The option is D. They gave the correct answer, so Truth House got the point. Now here ends our Math Magic round. All the best for the next rounds.
Time up. Uniform resource locator. It's very familiar for 6 and 7. Question number 2 goes to compassion. Compassion, be ready? Look at the question. What does MS stands for in MS Paint, MS Word?
Microsoft.
Microsoft, exactly. Microsoft is the correct answer. Question number 3, loyalty. This is your question. Which software is used for creating presentations?
PowerPoint.
Very good, excellent. PowerPoint is the correct answer. Fourth question goes to courage. Ready? How do you exit MS Paint, MS Word, MS PowerPoint?
Alt F4.
Alt? F4, very good. By clicking the X button or using Alt F4 is a shortcut. Last question goes to truth. Which software is used for word processing?
Microsoft Excel.
Sorry, 6th, 7th are there, 5th is there, 4th is there, everyone can answer. Very simple, word processing is MS Word. Okay, audience question, last question. What is the place in which Windows stores deleted files? Audience question. Folder is wrong answer. Okay, see the options here. Taskbar, Windows, software is agreement. Yes, very good. All are correct. Thank you.
Thank you, John sir. So children, you are very smart. So quickly, this is the fastest round. More than questions asked, you gave the answer immediately on the spot. Good job, everybody. Next.
Welcome to Science and Apparatus round. The first question goes to Honesty House. Sir, question please. So here are the instructions. Each question carries 2 points, no pass-ons, and you should observe the screen carefully. First question goes to Honesty. What is the name of this laboratory equipment? See the picture. You have options also. You can choose right option. Your time starts now. Screw gauge, option A screw gauge, option B electronic balance, option C test tube rack, option D triple beam balance.
Option D.
Option D is the right answer. Honesty House got 2 points. Sir, next question please. Next question goes to Compassion House. Observe the picture carefully, especially 6th and 7th. 6th and 7th. Observe the picture carefully. The question will be related to this. The least time that you can measure using this stopwatch is least time from the stopwatch. Your options are 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds, 0.1 second, 1 second.
One second.
The least time that you can measure is, sorry, wrong answer. The right answer is 0.5 seconds. So next question please. The next question goes to Loyalty House. Observe this picture carefully. Wait, observe the picture first. Are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Clearly. If you say okay, we'll go to question. Sir, question please. What are the least and highest volumes of the beakers? Your options are option A 50 ml to 500 ml, option B 500 ml to 50 ml, option C 5 ml to 500 ml, option D 500 ml to 5 ml. Which option? Option A 50 ml to 500 ml is wrong answer. Loyalty, no points. Right option is 5 ml to 500 ml. Next question goes to Courage House. Identify the following common salt. It's called as blue vitriol. Common salt. Not say common salt, it's a salt which is called as blue vitriol. Options are there. Your option A, iron sulfate, option B, copper sulfate, option C, iron oxide, option D, copper oxide.
Copper sulfate.
Sure? That's the right answer. Courage House 2 points. Last question goes to Truth House. See the question. I am an oven metal protector. I keep glassware safe. I sit upon a tripod holding bakers with care. My pattern spreads the warmth and prevents despair. Who am I?
C. A wire gauze.
C. A wire gauze is right answer. Truth House got 2 points. That's the end of this round. Thank you.
The correct place with the assigned number given on the map. Okay. Then each correct answer carries 1 point. Time limit is 2 minutes. The total points are 50 points. Okay. So shall we start? The time starts now. Each house will get only one question, one chance. Each question carries 5 points. So be careful while guessing. You will have 3 chances to guess the person in the picture. Guess for the first clue, you will get 5 points. Full full point. Then guess for the second clue, you will get 4. Guess for the third clue, you will get 2. Okay? So let's go. First chance goes to Honesty. Yes, correct answer. It is Cristiano Ronaldo. 5 points to Honesty. 5. Next question goes to Compassion. Think, think. All are role models only. Next go for let's clue. Second clue.
Sakuntala Devi.
Correct answer. Second clue. 4 points. Next question goes to Loyalty. Are you ready? Let's see. 5 seconds only to guess for the first clue. You want to second clue? Second clue, please. Third clue. Time up. Please reveal Amitabh Bachchan.
One student to come up. Each grade 1 student from the house. Grade 1, grade 1. Which house got English? We will see the question on the screen, so pay attention to the screen. 2 houses got English. First, Honesty. Here is your question. What is the meaning of onomatopoeia? Sound words. Let's listen. Let's see the answer. Sound words. Correct. Okay, you got 2 points. Now, which house got another English? Loyalty got English. Pronounce the word. G-N-O-M-E. It means small mythical creature. The first one. No. 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 And letter B. Letter B, how do you pronounce letter B?
Subtle.
Subtle. Okay, let's see the answer. Okay. Then letter B, subtle. B is silent. Okay. They did not get point. Hindi.
नाम छात्रों करेज धैर्यशाली ग्रुप के लिए अभी मैं प्रश्न पूछने वाला हूँ. लुक एट द स्क्रीन. देखिए स्क्रीन पर आपका प्रश्न रहा सूरज का पर्याय शब्द क्या है? सूरज पर्याय शब्द
Surya.
सूर्य. राइट आंसर. सूर्य, रवि, आदित्य ये पर्यायवाची सिनोनिम है सूरज के लिए. धन्यवाद. आपका दूसरा प्रश्न रहा इसके लिए देखिए
और किसके लिए हिंदी है? यस, कंपैशन, कंपैशन हाउस। यस, देखिए इस चित्र को देखकर मुहावरा पहचानिए। पहले पिक्चर को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में और दूसरे पिक्चर को क्या कहते हैं, दोनों जोड़ो।
फर्स्ट पिक्चर आंख, सेकंड पिक्चर नक्षत्र।
लेकिन मुहावरा बनाना है आपको, दोनों को मिलाने से मुहावरा बनना है। मुहावरा इन इंग्लिश इडियम। अगर इन दोनों चित्रों को मिलाएं तो एक मुहावरा बनेगा।
आंख नक्षत्र
नहीं, गलत गलत जवाब। पुनीत ट्राई करोगे? यस, समय समाप्त हुआ। द उत्तर है आंखों का तारा, आंखों का तारा। धन्यवाद छात्रों। अब रहा तेलुगु राउंड।
తెలుగు సంస్కు స్వాగతం. తెలుగు ఎవరికి వచ్చింది? ఓకే, రైట్. క్వశ్చన్ ప్లీజ్. శతకం అనగా 100 పద్యాలు, 50 పద్యాలు, 25 పద్యాలు, 10 పద్యాలు. వెయిట్ 100 poems, 50 poems, 25 poems, 10 poems. Say the answer.
Option 1.
Right answer. ధన్యవాదాలు.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Rapid Fire Round. This round is a game changer. Anything could happen. Anyone may lead, anyone may go back. Like Madhavi ma'am said, this is a breathtaking round. So we need utmost silence. And while we are preparing, I ask all the participants to select one best out of the best to come forward. It should be from Honesty House first. Please come forward. So you will have 90 seconds of time. So we have Siri here. They have selected the best out of the best. Siri, I will be continuously throwing questions at you. Ready? Please start the time, sir. Which animal is used by the police for tracking or protection?
Dogs.
Yes. Which planet did NASA's latest rover land on recently?
Mars.
Yes. Who wrote the drama Julius Caesar?
Pass.
No. Which country is known as the land of white elephants?
Pass.
No. Which global sports event unites countries and celebrates peace and friendship?
Olympics.
Right. Which day is celebrated as Environment Day every year?
Pass.
What is the name of the first man who walked on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Right. Which energy sources uses sunlight to make power?
Solar energy.
Right. What is the motto of Rio Olympics 2016?
Pass.
Which country is leading in renewable energy productions in 2025?
China.
Right. What is the folk dance of Punjab called?
Repeat.
What is the folk dance of Punjab called?
Pass.
Which African country is famous for chocolate?
Pass.
Name the white desert of India.
Pass.
What is the standard taste of water?
Plain.
No. Which sea creature has 8 legs?
Octopus.
Name the India's first 5G provider network.
Pass.
Which male creature gives birth to its... Good. Okay, all the best Panchajanya. Please set the timer, sir. Ready. Which male creature gives birth to its young?
Pass.
What is the largest mammal on earth?
Blue whale.
Yes. Who won India's first Olympic gold medal in an individual event?
Neeraj Chopra.
No. What is the name of India's first lunar mission?
Chandrayaan.
Which bird cannot fly but swims very well?
Penguin.
Force that pulls objects down.
Force.
No.
Gravity.
Yes. Which famous space explorer recently bought Twitter?
Pass.
Which country's flag has a red maple leaf?
Canada.
What helps protect us from viruses like COVID-19?
Vaccine.
Right. Season which leaves autumn?
Fall.
Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean?
Pass.
King of fruits in India?
Mango.
Right. Hardest natural substance?
Dark matter.
No. Which superhero can climb walls and swing with webs?
Spider-Man.
Right. How many degrees are there in a circle?
Pass.
Name the border of India and Pakistan.
Jammu and Kashmir.
No. Which country is known as the land of blue sky? Ready? In which country did the chess originate? What is the full form of a bit?
Pass.
Which is the largest plateau in the world?
Pass.
What grows quicker, hair or toenails?
Pass.
Who is known as the missile man of India?
Pass.
Which planet in our solar system takes the longest time to complete its revolution? No. What was the name of the ISRO mission to Mars? Festival with lights and fireworks.
Diwali.
Yes. Popular social media app for creating reels.
YouTube.
No. Popular EV vehicle in the United States.
Tesla.
Right answer. Major award ceremony where artists and actors are celebrated. Which part of the plant makes food for the plant? Capital of Tokyo.
The first question, 2012 is a leap year, true or false? Correct. Which blood cell helps our bodies fight infection? O positive? You're wrong. Which is the largest bird in the world? Largest? Eagle. Incorrect. Which is the capital of Australia? Pass. Name the Indian state with tagline Simply Heaven. I repeat, name the Indian state with tagline Simply Heaven. The currency of Egypt is called. The currency of Egypt is called. Check the timer. Wrong. How many stomachs a camel has? Two. Incorrect. Which country introduced the cricket? Which country introduced the cricket? Pass. Name the animal which cannot jump. Pass. VVITU stands for
Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology University.
Well tried, but it's incorrect. Your time up. All the best to the house. Your time starts now. Which state of India has the longest coastline? Pass. Which is the most sensitive organ in the body? Ear. You are incorrect. Small state of India is Goa. Baby of horse is called? Pass. Which is the smallest bird?
Bee hummingbird. Bee hummingbird.
Correct. What is the softest mineral of earth?
Soil.
Incorrect. Which city in India is known as City of Joy?
Hyderabad.
Incorrect. What was the first Prime Minister? Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct. What is the capital of India?
Delhi. New Delhi.
Which is the fastest land animal?
Cheetah.
What is the national flower of India?
Lotus.
Who wrote the Indian national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Which gas do humans need for breathing?
Oxygen.
What is the capital city of England?
Pass.
Who is known as the god of cricket?
Virat Kohli.
Which organ pumps blood in the human body?
Heart.
In which year was the Constitution of India adopted?
2000.
1940. Well tried.
Truth House, please come forward, one of you. And Courage House, one of you come forward. There is a tie. And then Loyalty and Compassion also there is a tie. Okay?
What is the festival with lights and fireworks?
Diwali.
Yes. Popular social media app for creating reels.
What? Repeat.
Popular social media app for creating reels.
Instagram.
Right. Popular EV vehicle in US. Popular EV vehicle in the United States. No. Major award ceremony where artists and actors are celebrated. Award ceremony where artists and actors are celebrated.
Pass.
Last question. Which part of the plant makes food for the plant?
Leaves.
121 divided by 11. 121 divided by 11.
21.
Wrong. Bird that mimics speech.
Parrot.
Right answer. So the courage is on lead.
Okay, the Courage is in second place. Next, Loyalty and Compassion, go.
Leader of Dandi March.
Pass.
Largest Indian state by area.
Maharashtra.
Wrong. Group of lions is called.
Pass.
Spice Garden of India.
Repeat.
Spice Garden of India.
Sikkim.
No. Morning Star Planet.
Japan.
No. Author of Panchatantra.
Pass.
Smallest bone in body.
Earbone.
No. Pass. Correct. Organ that purifies blood.
Kidneys.
Right answer. Scientific name. Done. Scientific name of sun.
Pass.
India's top civilian award.
Bharat Ratna.
Right answer.
Pushpa ma'am has compiled all the entire thing, the rounds, and Sujata ma'am and Pushpa ma'am both have worked really hard to make this quiz successfully happen. Please support the stage. I thank Mali sir, Thank you very much. In the fifth place, loyalty stands. So all of them have performed very well. In the fifth place, loyalty stands. Then, compassion, 40 points. In the fourth place, compassion stands. And in the third place, truth stands. In the second place, courage stands. Who has first place? Honesty are the winners. Honesty, first place. Honesty people, honesty, please come front.